What's up, you guys? It is your girl Peace, and I am going live today for the first time, live from my TikTok shop. That is right, you guys. I have set up my shop. I have officially set my shop up on TikTok, and I'm going to be talking about one of my best selling products, which is the Mama's Afro Grease. I do have a STEM degree in biology with a minor in chemistry. So I am an actual chemist, and then also my background is in forensic chemistry and forensic narcotics, or forensic drug chemistry is what you can say. I'm going to be going through some of the ingredients, and that way you guys can ask me questions about the products as I continue to make the products. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna start with hemp seed oil. If you can see my hair, you can see that it's wavy, you can see that it's moisturized, it's very soft, and it's not greasy. This is the jar that you're gonna be getting. This is the hair grease, it's a 6 ounce. This is what it looks like. And as far as the fragrance, I don't know if you guys are familiar with what neroli smells like, but it's a neroli peppermint smell to it. The peppermint oil, when I tell you, baby, it is peppermint, okay? Like, my scalp is tingling. It has a really nice cooling sensation to it right now. Jamaican black castor oil. There is babasu oil, rice bran oil. This one is jojoba. So one of the first ingredients I'm gonna be putting in here is amla, fenugreek. Another thing I'm gonna be putting into the grease is onion. And the reason onion is so powerful in the hair care industry is because it's high in sulfur. And your hair also contains sulfur. If you remember, the hair is made up of what's called disulfide bonds. So when you add sulfur to your hair, or if you add a product that's high in sulfur, make sure that that's what helps your hair to flourish. So that's why I add the onion to this grease. I made an Ayurvedic grease that is not to be played with. It's called diatomaceous earth. But the benefits of diatomaceous earth is it is like 100% silica. This is called shikakai. So everything that I'm gonna be putting in here, you could actually make tea out of it and drink it. So this is what I love about my products. This is why I started formulating my products, is because when I was watching my mom battle cancer, I started becoming a label reader, and I started paying more attention